Is his full name not Sfiso Kuhle?
Akasho yena uSifiso Kuhle.
Hayi ngiyezwa kuthiwa usifiso kuhle kodwa ngazi ukani mina ke bembiza ngalo.
I hear that they say it's Fiso Kuhle, but I know him by Nkani.
Sorry, Fiso Kuhle.
Fiso Kuhle simkhiphe ayingoSifiso uFiso Kuhle.
Hayi mina ngazi ngokani.
I only know him by Nkani.
And how will the name of Nkani have found its way in the affidavit?
Akubekela ngena njani igama likaNkani la kulesi statement?
Angazi.
I don't know.
It is stated here that he is also known as Sifiso Zungu.
Ubhaliwe ke lana ukuthi waziwa nangelika Sifiso Zungu.
Where does the surname of Zungu come from? As
Well,
far as
Ayi yimi engizazi ngisifiso zungu angazi
accused number 5 is concerned.
ngazi ukuthi mina usifiso zungu angimazi ukani ngazi ngwatule nje.
I am Sifiso Zungu. I don't know Nkani to be Sifiso Zungu. I know him to be Ntuli.
Do you know the name of his mother?
Uyalazi igama likama wakhe?
Hayi angilazi.
No, I don't know.
Do you know Umama Batetele Zungu?
Umama ubathethelele Zungu uyamazi?
Hayi angimazi.
No, I don't know.
It was put during the cross-examination of Lieutenant Colonel House that the mother of accused number 5 is Umamba Tetelele Zungu.
Komunye ke wofakazi ababela enkantolo uKolonel House watshelwa ke ukuthi uma kaNkani umama ubathethelele Zungu. Oh.
Now, how will this surname have found its way in the affidavit of Sifiso Zungu?
Manje ke isibongo lesi noma ke isifiso lesi ukuthi kubhalwe lana ke Sifiso Zungu kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi sibe la kulesi statement?
Angazi.
I don't know.
I can also confirm that on the day that Senzo was killed, all the 5, namely Sifiso Ntuli, Muzi Sibia, Mapisa, Carlos Butelezi, he could be using another surname, as well as Mafika Ntanzi were all together.
Ngingaqinisekisa ke ukuthi ngelanga uSenzo abulawa ngalo bobahlanu uSifiso Ntuli, uMuzi Sibiya, uMaphisa, uCarlos Buthelezi usengame usebenzisa esinye isibongo kanye naye uMafika Ntanzi babe ndawonye.
Hayi angazi.
No, I don't know.
Well, accused number 3 is Mr. Mtobisi Prince Ngube. It's on record that he's also, Constable Zungu testified that he's also from the Buthelezi clan, and he's also known as Carlos.
Solwake wesithathu umnumzana uMthobisi Prince Mncube ubufakazi bakhe ke uConstable Zungu washo ke ukuthi ubuye uwakwaButhelezi futhi ke elinye igama aziwa ngalo uCarlos.
Now, how will this information have found its way in the affidavit?
Manje ke lokhu ngene kanjani la kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi kubhalwe la?
Hayi angazi.
I don't know.
Mafika also confirmed that they all participated in the killing of Senzo Meiwa.
Umafika waqinisekisa ukuthi bonke baba neqhaza ekubulaweni kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa.
Well, the name Mafika, accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, is referred to as Mafika.
Umsolo wesibili uBongani Ntanzi ubizwa ke ngoMafika.
You know that, don't you?
Angithi uyakwazi lokho?
Hayi angazi.
No, I don't.
You don't know that accused number 2 is known as Mafika.
Awukwazi ukuthi uBongani Ntanzi noma umsolo wesibili waziwa ngoMafika.
Ngazi ukuthi umafika angimazi ubongani.
I know him as Mafika. I don't know Bongani.
Yes. And do you know why the name Mafika would have been used in the statement?
Ingabe uyazi yini ukuthi kungani igama kaMafika likhona la lisetshenzisiwe la ku statement?
Hayi angazi.
No, I don't know.
But it can only be someone who knows him very well.
Kodwa ke kungaba umuntu nje kuphela omazi kahle.
Emakhaya noma ku statement.
Is it now back home
Yes.
or where in the statement?
Just generally.
Sesiyayikhulumela nje.
Hayi angimazi kahle umuntu nje ngimjwayele ukuthi umngani wami.
No, I don't know him that well. It's just an acquaintance that's being my friend.
Mafika also confirmed that they all participated in the killing of Senzo Meiwa. This was also confirmed to me by Muzi Sibia.
Lokhu ke kwaqinisekiswa kumina ke uyena uMuzi Sibiya.
I am not sure who exactly pulled the trigger, but it was clear that all 5 of them were part of it when Muzi and Mafika told me. They also told me that the instruction to kill Senzo Meiwa came from his girlfriend Kelly Kumalo.
Angaso ke isiqiniseko sokuthi ubani owadubula kodwa kwacacileke ukuthi ke bobahlanu babe ingxenye yako nokuthi ke nkathi uMuzi noMafika bengitshela ke bangitshela ukuthi ke umyalo ukuthi kubulawe yena uSenzo Meyiwa wabuya kwintombi yakhe ke uKelly Khumalo.
What is your comment?
Uthini kulokho?
Hayi angazi.
No,
That has just been read just before the one that is stated as requested, Mr. The witness to comment here. That reads, Mafika also confirmed that they all participated in the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. There was no comment that was requested from the witness. That was not requested from the witness. We don't know what his answer is there too.
Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
Please, can you comment on that sentence?
uMafika waqinisekisa ke ukuthi bonke babe yingxenye yokubulawa kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa. Uthini kulokho?
Hayi angikwazi lokho mina.
No, I know nothing about that.
Okay. Can you then comment on this last portion that has just been proposed to you?
Anginaso isiqiniseko sokuthi ubani owadubula kodwa ke kwakucacile ukuthi ke bonke babe yingxenye yako lokho ngathi uMuzi noMafika bangitshela futhi ke ukuthi ke umyalo ke wokuthi kubulawe uSenzo Meyiwa wawubuya kuloyo ke ayihlekisana naye uKelly Khumalo.
Hayi angazi.
No, I don't know.
Accused number 1, Muzi Sibia, is commonly known as Muzi.
Umsolo wokuqala waziwa ke nanjengoMuzi noma ke ubizwa ke nanjengoMuzi.
Umuzi.
And you also refer to him as such when you were testifying. Is that correct?
nawe ke ngathuthula ke ubufakazi bakho ke umbiza kanjalo.
Mangwethula kupla eKatolo.
Yebo. Testifying here in court.
Yes.
Yebo.
Nimbiza ngomuzi.
I refer to him as Muzi.
Yes, but his full name's Muzika Kulela Stemba Sibia.
Kodwa ke amagama akhe aphelele Muzi kaUkhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya.
Yebo.
Yes.
So it could only be someone who knows himself well who would use the name Muzi.
So bekungaba ke umuntu omazi kahle obengasebenzisa leli gama lika Muzi.
Ubizwa ngawuthi umuzi vela aqedele.
He is being referred to as Muzi. It's not mentioned in full.
I can be able to identify the suspects in brackets above if I see them again. In brackets,
Sorry.
that is Muzi Sibia, Mafika Ntanzi, Nkani Sifiso Ntuli or Zungu, Mapisa or Carlos Butelezi.
Ngingabakhomba ke uma abasolwa laba abashiwo ke ngaphezulu uma ngingabafuna futhi Muzi Sibiya, Mafika Ntanzi, Nkunzi Unkani Sifiso, Ntuli noma uZungu, Mapisa kanye no Carlos Butelezi.
What is your comment?
Uthini lokho?
Hayi angazi.
No, I don't know.
Are you able to identify them here in court?
Uyababona la enkantolo.
Uba umuzi.
Muzi.
Yes, all these names that are mentioned here.
Onke lamagama abhaliwe la.
Ngiyambona umuzi.
You can see Muzi.
Umafika ngiyambona.
Mafika, I can see.
Maphisa ngiyambona.
I see
Nokani
Mapisa.
ngiyambona.
I see Nkani also.
And Carlos Butelezi?
Carlos Butelezi.
Hayi angimazi uKharlos Butelezi.
I don't know Carlos Butelezi.
I further want to state that there was another meeting called by Moses' father at Emahlabatini, where it was alleged by saying Nombuso threatening to report Muzi Sibia for killing Senzo Maiwa.
Mfisa uqhubeka ke ukusho ukuthi waba nomunye umhlangano futhi owabizwa ke ubaba kaMuzi emahlabathini la ekwakusolwa khona ke ukuthi uNombuso wayesabisa ngokuthi ke uzahamba ayo reporter ke uMuzi Sibiya ngokuthi ke wabulala uSenzo Meyiwa.
Hayi angiwazi.
No, I don't know.
On the meeting, the two girls admitted that they did indeed say they will inform the police about Moses' involvement in the death of Senze Meiwa. They said Muzi Sibiya told them this himself on previous occasions when he was showing off that he is a real man.
Okay. Ubona ke umhlangano lamantombazana amabili avuma ke ukuthi impela basho ukuthi bazohamba bayotshela amaphoyisa ngokubandakanyeka ke kwakhe uMuzi ekushoneni kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa. Bathi ke uMuzi Sibiya wabatshela yena ke kuyihlandla noma ke kumahlandla angaphambili ngathi ke ngathi ke wayegaja ke ukuthi yena ke wayeyindoda impela noma ke indoda yangempela.
Hayi angiwazi.
I don't know.
But how would these intricate details have found their way in this affidavit, this statement?
Kodwa ke lemininingwane lena ke ekanjena ke yayizokuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ibe khona la ku statement lesi.
Angiyazi kwenzeka kanjani.
I don't know how it happened.
when an argument between started, Muzi threatened to shoot them and actually fired a fire. I was there personally when this happened in Foslores Hostel.
Kwathi ke uma sekunokuphikisana ke noma sekulana okukhona ke okwenzeka ke noma okwaqala uMuzi wasabisa ke ngokuthi ke uzodubula futhi impela ke wadubula ngangikhona ke mina nkathi kwenzeka lokho ehostel eFoslores.
Angangekho.
No, I wasn't present.
Do you know the lady mentioned here, Nombuso?
Usisi lona obhaliwe lana uNombuso yamazi?
Angimazi nombuso.
No, I don't know Nombuso.
As always, Muzi's father requested these two girls to keep this information between the family. I do not know how much money was given to them, but an agreement was reached to this effect.
Manje ngenjwayelo ke ubaba kaMuzi wacela ke amantombazana lana ukuthi lokho ke ugcinwe ke phakathi komndeni. Angazi ukuthi banikezwa malini kodwa ngiyazi nje ukuthi saba khona ke isivumelwano mayelana nalo daba.
Angwazi.
No, I don't know.
Now, Mr. Zungu, are you saying that you requested Brigadier Gininda to take whatever accused number 1, Muzi Sibia, said in his statement and incorporate it into your affidavit?
Ingabufakazi bakho ukuthi obakusho wena ku Brigadier Gininda ukuthi akathathe lokho athi kukhona ku statement sakhe uMuzi Sibia abe esehlanganisa nesakho statement.
Cha, wathi khona uMuzi akubhale ngapha statement akhe kwesabha statement sikaMuzi ukubhale la kimi.
No, he said that there was something that was said about me by Muzi. I then said that he should take that which he claims alleges to have been said by Muzi about me and write it here in my statement.
And you say that is not this information that has been read out to you.
Uthi-ke ayisikona lokhu okubhalwe la lokho oqeda ufunda la.
Ngoba ngishilo mina sekuqaleni angisazi.
As I said from the word go that I don't know it.
Are you suggesting that Brigadier Gininda now substituted that information that was contained in the statement that you signed by putting S to this statement?
Ingabe uthi uBrigadier Gininda akwenza ukuthi ke ashintshe lokho okwakuleso istatement othi wena wasayina ngokuthi ubeke uS akushintshe kube yiloko?
Angazi ngasayina phatha sesifundo statement sami.
I don't know. I signed, my statement was never read.
Well, we request that this statement be handed up as exhibit ZZZZ in brackets 5. Well, in light of what you are saying, that you requested, or that Brigadier Gininda mentioned that Muzi said certain things about you, and that you then requested him to incorporate what Muzi Sibia is saying about you in a statement. So we're going to traverse the statement of accused number 1 with you.
Ngoba ke uthi wathi wena ke wathi uBrigadier Gininda wathi kwena ukhona ukushiwa uMuzi ngawe wabe usuthi wena ke akathathe lokho athi yena kushiwa uMuzi akubhale ngapha. Esizokwenza ke manje ukuthi ke sizothi ke sifundeleke lokho okubhaliwe kwistatement sikaMuzi. Yes.
And this is contained in exhibit FF. This is the confession dated 30 May 2020, made before Colonel Mhlangela Moses Mboto.
Le statement ke noma ke la article umshushi mafunda ke ugonyuluka ke i-statement sange iphethe sika May 2020 phambi kwakhe uKolonel Mboto.
We can then compare what accused number 1 is saying with what has just been read in the record that is contained in the statement that is in your name, exhibits ZZ5.
Osizokwenza ke manje ukuthi ke sifundeke bese siyaqhathanisa ke kuloko statement sakhe umuzi naloko ekukule statement ke esibhalwe noma ke esingegama lawo.
And we'll go straight to the body of the statement. States
The court, Madam. I just wish to place it on record that this witness has said it time and again that he does not know what was contained in the statement that Gininda said, accused number 1 made, wherein he mentions or he says something about him. He also does not know, and in fact, he also did not make a statement whatsoever. So the process that the state now wants to embark upon in order to compare the two statements that this witness says is not privy to the content thereof is highly irregular. That is all that I wanted to place on record.
Now, fine. I don't think it's irregular. You can continue.
Thank you, Madam.
It's not irregular.
as the court pleases.
Because we are told by the evidence of Mr. Kwabeni that he himself, not Ginanda, he himself instructed Gininda to transpose what is contained in the statement of accused number 1, which relates to him, into a paper, a statement, and he signed. The question is allowed, okay?
Ngiyavuma inkantolo ukuthi angaqhubeka kumshushise emuva kokuthi umeli ethe manje ngoba ufakazi eshilo ukuthi akakwazi ukuthi yini okakazi ukuthi yini ebhalwe kulesa statement uGininda noma uBrigadier Gininda awayethi senziwa uyena ke umuzi esenza ngayo ufakazi. Inkantolo ithi ke manje ngoba ke esho lo ufakazi ukuthi ke akazi ukuthi yini uyena owathi uBrigadier Gininda akakuthathe lokho kuyena akubhale ngala. Inkantolo siyamvumela kumshushisi ukuthi usengaqhubeka ke abuze.
On 2014, between September and October, it was Sabata, which is Saturday. My friends Marco Butelezi and Makimbi Butelezi entered the house and demanded cell phone, and they shot the now deceased.
Fundeka ngalendlela ke le statement ngo 2014 phakathi ke ka September no October kwaku isabatha wayengomgqibelo ke abangani bami uMarco Buthelezi kanye naye ke uMakimba Buthelezi bangena ke endlini base befuna ama cellphone kanye base bedubula ke ongasekho manje.
Is there anything in this paragraph that refers to you?
Kukhona la kuloko oqeda ukufundwa okhuluma ngawo.
Ngicabanga ukuthi mina lokho ekukhulunywa ngakho ku statement angaze ngifundele laphana ngathi mina kathatha okungapha okusho umuzi ekubuyise ngapho statement sami akaze emaqeda ukubhala ngifundele mina.
I think that this which is in this statement was never read to me or never read back to me. All I said was he should take that which is in the statement which he claimed that it was made by Muzi and then transfer it to the other side, but it was never read to me.
Yes. And insofar as it related to, you said Brigadier Gininda said Muzi made a statement wherein he refers to you, is that correct?
Angithi uthe uBrigadier Gininda wathi uMuzi unestatement asenza akhuluma ngaso kusona ngawe kusona sorry.
Yebo.
Yes.
And you said then incorporate that which he says about you in the statement, is that correct?
Wabe usuthi ke wena ke thatha lokho ke akushoyo ngami ubese ubhala ngala.
Yebo.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Now, is there anything in this paragraph where he refers to you?
Manje ke la kuloko oqeda ufundwa manje ukhona okhuluma ngawe.
Akukho ukukhuluma kule statement lesifunde eqaleni la. Lokho enikusho manje akukho. Kodwa ngithi mina khathe eqeda ukusibhala lesi sami akaze engifundele meqeda ukusibhala.
Yeah. There is nothing that refers to me, but what I'm saying is after writing it, he never read it to me.
Right. On that week, in that year, during the week, it was on Wednesday, I was at my place at hostel in Vosloorus at Basotho section, and I received a call from my friends Marco Buthelezi and Makimba Buthelezi. Both were staying at Vosloorus hostel, but Zulu section. The person who was calling me was Marco, but I heard on the background that he was with Makimba. I told them that I am present, and he said he's coming with Makimba. Is there anything in this paragraph that refers to you? Is there anything that refers to you in this paragraph?
Kuloko oqeda ufundwa khona okhuluma ngawe?
Akukho.
No, there's nothing.
Few minutes, they arrived by a Polo, white in color, and it was driven by Makimba, but the owner of the Polo is Marco. Both they are from Kwanongoma in KwaZulu-Natal. I just entered the car and sat at the back seat. Marco said to me, there is a job we need to do. I asked them what job, and Marco said they were hired by Kelly to kill Senzo, and I asked the suspect which Kelly and which Senzo. The suspect said Kelly Kumalo and Senzo Meiwa. These are the people we are talking about. Is there anything in this paragraph that refers to you?
Kwimizuzu ke embalwa bafika ke behamba ngepholo emhlophe yayishayelwa uMakimba kodwa ke umnikazi wepholo kwakuuMarco. Bobabili ke babuya kwaNongoma eKZN. Ngangena emotweni ngahlala ngasemuva. uMarco wathi kimi kunomsebenzi ekufanele siwenze. Ngabuza ke ukuthi umsebenzi munike. uMarco wasethi bafuna uKelly ke wabaqasha ukuthi babulale noma kubulawe uSenzo. Ngase ngibuza ke umsolwa umuphi uKelly nomuphi uSenzo. Abasolwa umsolwa wathi uKelly Khumalo noSenzo Meyiwa ibona labo abantu ekukhulunywa ngabo. Manje ke lapha kuloko okufundiwe ke kukhona okukhuluma ngawe? No, there's nothing.
Ask them if they already charged the money, and they said yes, they charged 100,000 rand. Both Marco and Makimba charged for the killing. Marco was the one who was having dreadlocks, and Makimba was wearing the cap, in brackets red in color, and I was wearing the white cap. Those caps we were wearing on Saturday, and the one with dreadlocks was wearing the wool hat. Is there anything in this paragraph that refers to you?
Ngababuza ke ukuthi babe sebe ifunile noma beshilo yini ke imali babezoyifuna ke basho ke bathi yebo 200,000 bobabili ke uMarco noMakimba ke imali ke leyo abayifuna ke ngokubulala. uMarco uyena ke owaye nama dreads. uMakimba yena ke wayegqoke ikepusi elali bomvu ngombala mina ke ngangifake ikepusi elimhlophe ukona ke lawa amakepusi esasiwathwele ngomgqibelo lona ke yena ke owayenama dreads yena ke wayefake wayefake isigqoko yena ingabe kukhona yini ke kuloko kufundiwe okukhuluma ngawe
Akukho.
no there's nothing
Sometimes we drove to the traditional healer, Mkulu, as we used to call him, and he's from Swaziland. This is the traditional healer we used to go before we commit any crime. He is from Swaziland. Is there anything in this paragraph that refers to you?
kwakuba nenkathi ke la esasihamba khona ke siye ke kwisangoma ke umkhulu sasimbiza kanjalo futhi umkhulu ubuya eSwaziland uyena ke esasivamise ukuthi siye kuyena ngaphambi kokuthi ke siyokwenza ke ubugebengu ubuya eSwaziland ukhona yini la okukhuluma ngawe
Akukho.
no there's nothing
The Inyanga stays at Katlehong at Palm Ridge, and we entered there, 3 of us. Marco is the one who explained to the traditional healer, in quotes Mkulu, that we want to check if we are going to succeed in doing this job. He further mentioned to Mkulu that we are going to kill Senzo Meiwa, and we were bought or hired by Kelly Kumalo, who was the girlfriend to Senzo Meiwa. Any reference to you in this paragraph?
inyanga leyo ke ihlala eKatlehong ePalm Ridge futhi ke sangena ke sobathathu uMarco uyena ke owayechaza kena ke umkhulu ukuthi sasifuna noma sifisa ukubheka ke ukuthi sasizophumelela yini kulowo msebenzi waqhubeka ke washo kumkhulu ukuthi sizobulala noma sasiyobulala uSenzo Meyiwa nokuthi sathengwa ke uKelly Khumalo okwakuyena ke owayehlekisana naye uSenzo Meyiwa ngabe khona yini kulokhu okukhuluma ngawe
Akukho.
no there's nothing
Marco told us that Kelly won money from Senzo, but he never told Mkulu that. Mkulu, in brackets, traditional healer, checked for us and said, we are going to succeed to kill the said person. And he also gave us protection medicine and belts to put on our arms or at our waist, which was going to make us to succeed in killing him and to protect us from any danger. We paid Mkulu 50 rand for checking our job. Any reference to you in this paragraph?
uMarco wasitshela ukuthi uKelly wayefuna imali kuSenzo kodwa ke akakaze amtshele umkhulu lokho umkhulu wabheka ke esibhekela ke ukuthi sasizophumelela yini ukubulala ke loyo muntu lowo oshiwo wase esinika futhi ke nomuthi ke wokuyivikela namabhande futhi ukuthi siwafake ke la kuthina ke lokho ke okwakuzokwenza ke ukuthi siphumelele ekumbulaleni nokusivikela ke kwingozi samkhokhela umkhulu u50 rand ngokusibhekela umsebenzi wethu engabe khona yini la okukhuluma ngawe no there's nothing
When we finished the job, we decided that we must pay him 5,000 rand, and we left to the hostel, and they left me there to their place of residence. I sat at my place, and we never spoke till Saturday, in bracket Sabata, where I received the call from Marco, where he told me that we are going afternoon to the work which we're planning to do.
uma sesiqeda ke umsebenzi uma siqeda umsebenzi sathatha isinqumo ke sokuthi kufanele simkhokhele u5000 sahamba ke siya ehostel base bengishiya ke lapho bahlala khona ke ngahlala ke kwami asikhulumanga ke kwaze kwafika noma kwashaya ke umgqibelo isabatha la engathola khona ke ucingo olubuya kuMarco la angitshela khona ke ukuthi sasizoya ke emini ukuyokwenza ke umsebenzi lowo esasihlele ukwenza.
Any reference to you in this paragraph?
Lana ke khona okhuluma ngawe? No.
They never told me the time, but they arrived at about 1800 hours and they took me by the very same polo. I was sitting at the back seat. Makimba was driving. The vehicle drove to the very address Fosslores, and the vehicle parked by the corner as Makimba was driving. While we were driving to the place, Marco received the call, and I heard Marco answering the phone and said, "We are on the way, coming." Sise in brackets, Sise Ndleleni. Any reference to you in this paragraph?
Abakazeke bang abazange bangitsheleke isikhathi kodwa bafika ke ngo6 ntambama base bengithatha ke ngaleyo polo ke kwakuseyileyo polo ke eyodwa ngangihlezi emuva uMakimba wayeshayela imoto yahamba ke yaya kulelo kheli lelo ke eFosloras imoto ke yama ke ekhoneni manje ngoba uMakimba wayeshayela sathi ke sisahamba ke noma sisashayela njalo ke kuleyo ndawo uMarco wathola ucingo ngamuzwa ke uMarco ephendula ucingo wathi ke sisendleleni ngaba khona la ukukhuluma ngawe? No.
After dropping the call, he told us that Kelly is calling and want to know if we are coming. Then we alighted at the corner and we walked on foot to the house, and the firearm was with Marco, and he asked who was going to enter the house. We discussed that we will make as if we are committing robbery, and the firearm was one, and it was at Marco's possession.
Emuva kokuthi ke eselibekile ucingo wasitshela ke ukuthi ke uKelly uyena ke oshaya ucingo ufuna ke ukwazi ukuthi siye wayefuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe siyeza yini sehla ke emotweni ekhoneni sahamba ke ngeenyawo ukuya ke emzini isibhamu sona ke sasikuMarco wase ebuza ke ukuthi ubani owayezongena endlini sadingida ke lolo daba lelo ukuthi sadingida ke udaba lolo ukuthi sasizokwenza ngokungathi kubanjwa inkunzi isibhamu ke sasisodwa futhi ke sasiphethwe uMarco.
Any reference to you in this paragraph?
Lana ke khona indawo ekhuluma ngawe? No.
Marco asked who was going to get in, and I told them, not me. I'm going to stand outside and watch if there's somebody who came in and disturb us. I must quickly report. Marco and Makimba got into the house, and Marco was the only one who was in possession of the firearm.
uMarco wabuza ke ukuthi kwakuubani owayezongena ngabatshela ke ukuthi akusiyimi ozongena mina ke ngangizoma ngaphandle ngibheke ke ukuthi akekho yini umuntu ozongena ke azosiphazamisa ke nokuthi kuzofanele ke ngisheshe ngibike uMarco noMakimba bangena endlini uMarco uyena kuphela ke owayephethe isibhamu.
They entered and closed the door and demanded cell phones. According to them, they said they found 3 people in the house. That was Meiwa and 2 girls in the dining room. One of those 2 girls was Kelly. They said Meiwa refused with cell phone and he stood and grabbed each other with Marco. Marco took out the firearm and shot at him. Kelly ran to the bedroom and came back while still pushing each other, and the sound of firearm came out. As a result, Kelly ran back to the bedroom, and the shots came 2 times again, and they came out running. And we ran into the car, which was parked at corner of the street. We drove to the hostel, and they said they never took anything, cell phone or money.
Bangena ke endlini base bevala ke isicapha base befuna ke omakhalekhukhwini ngokusho kwabo ke bathi bathola abantu abathathu ngaphakathi endlini kwakumeyiwa kanye ke namantombazana amabili dining room noma ke la ehlala khona ke endlini enye ke elawo mantombazana kwakuwukheli bathi ke umeyiwa wanqaba ukunikeza ke ngomakhalekhukhwini wase esukuma ke ebambana naye uMarco wakhipha isibhamu wamdubula uKelly wabaleka ke waya ekamereni lokulala wase ebuya ke ngaleso sikhathi babesa pushana ke kwase kuqhuma ke isibhamu ngenxa ke yalokho uKelly waphinda futhi ke wabuyela ke ekamereni lokulala isibhamu saqhuma ke kabili futhi base bephuma ke begijima sagijima ke saya emotweni eyayime ekhoneni sona kuona ke umgwaqo lowo sahamba ke saya ehostel bathi ke abakazi abawathathanga ke ama cell phone noma imali.
Any reference to you in this paragraph?
Lana ke kukhona yini okhuluma ngawe?
Akukho.
No, there's nothing.
Early in the morning, I received a call from Marco and said he was going to go and collect the money from Kelly. At about 9 o'clock, I received the money from Marco, who told me that we have been rewarded for our job. He gave me 30,000 rand for my share. We agreed, 3 of us, to give Mkulu 5,000 rand for his assistance in this job. Mkulu helped us to rinse ourselves with other medicine to remove the bad luck.
Ngalelo langa noma ke ilanga elilandelayo ke kusesekuseni ngathola ke ucingo olubuya kuyena ke uMarco ethi ke wayezohamba ayolanda imali kuyena uKelly. Ngo9 ngathola ke imali yami kuyena uMarco owangitshela ukuthi sesiyaqonyeliswa ke ngomsebenzi esiwenzile wanginikeza u30,000 ekuyingxenye yami savumelana ke thina sobathathu ukuthi sizonikeza umkhulu u5,000 ngosizo lwakhe ngomsebenzi umkhulu wasisiza ke ukuthi sigezeke ngeminye imithi ukuthi sisuseke noma sigeze yebo sigeze
To remove the bad luck.
yes
Any reference to you in this paragraph?
kukhona la okukhuluma ngawe
Akukho.
no there's nothing.
We came back to the room where they dropped me and they left. Nobody came to us or police. The story was quiet. I heard that somebody is arrested in this case, and I knew that it was the wrong person. And it took a short time, and both of them were arrested for other crimes.
Sabuya ke sibuyela kulona ke ikamera la ababe ngithule khona ke base behamba akekho umuntu oweza kuthina noma amaphoyisa kwakuthuleke mayelana nalodaba lolu ngezwa ke ukuthi ukhona umuntu oboshiwe kulona ke icala leli futhi ngangazi ke ukuthi kwakuboshwe umuntu ekungasiyena noma kuboshwe umuntu wrong kwase kuthatha ke isikhathi esifushane noma ke isikhathi esincane bobabili ke baboshwa beboshelwa amanye amacala.
Any reference to you in this paragraph?
Ukhona ke okhuluma ngawe la?
Akukho.
No, there's nothing.
The firearm that was used was sold to Mtobisi Sitole from Umsinga in KwaZulu-Natal. That is the firearm that was used to kill Senzo, which was owned by Marco Buthelezi.
Isibhamu esasetshenziswa Isibhamu esasetshenziswa sadayiselwa uMthobisi Sithole obuya eMsinga eKZN. Isona ke leso isibhamu esasetshenziswa ukubulala uSenzo umnikazi waso ekwaku Marco Buthelezi.
Any reference to you in this paragraph?
Ukhona ukhuluma ngawe la?
Akukho.
Nothing.
Makimbi Buthelezi was arrested at KZN and Marco was killed by the police at Davidton during the arrest. They were arrested after 2 months.
uMakimbi Buthelezi waboshwa eKZN kwasekuthi uMarco wabulawa amaphoyisa eDavidton ngesikhathi sokuboshwa noma ngathi ke eboshwa baboshwa ke emuva kwezinyanga ezimbili.
Any reference to you in this paragraph?
Lana ke kuloko qeda ufunda khona ukhuluma ngawo?
Akukho.
No, there's nothing.
There's another statement that was made by accused number 1 during the pointings out to Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe. That is dated the 5th of June 2020, which has been handed up as Exhibit GG. And we'll also just briefly read it out to you. Musika Kulela's Temba Sibia states that, I'm not sure about the month and day, but it was the year 2014. It was on a Wednesday when I was called by Marco Buthelezi, who asked me where I was, and I told him at home and where I stay, and he told me he was coming to see me.
The same one.
So we don't have a copy.
Can read everything then?
Yes, we'll just read everything. The statement will just be read out and it will then be interpreted to you, and you can then indicate if there's any reference in the statement to your name. He came accompanied by his Makimba Buthelezi, and they were in a white polo in brackets VW. I got inside the polo and Marco told me that he had a job for us. I asked what job it was, and he told me that it was to kill someone. I asked who that person was, and he said, Senzo. I said, fine, we can do it, and we decided to first go and see a Nyanga in bracket Sangoma to check whether the job will be successful. We went to the old man and he threw the bones and said it was good. The job can be done successfully. We paid 50 rand for checking and left. I was dropped off at home and we agreed to meet on Saturday, the day of the job. On Saturday we met and I went to a place or house I pointed out to Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe today. 5 June 2020 in Vosloorus, and we stop at the corner and walk there. I was asked whether I want to go in, and I said no. I will wait outside. Marco and Makimba went inside the house, and I heard about 3 gunshots, and they came out running. We all left and ran to the car. I was told in the car by Marco that they went in and found people inside, demanded money and cell phones. He told me Senzo confronted them and was fighting and resisting. He was then shot and everyone ran to the bedroom. We drove back to my place at Sutu Hostel, and I got out next to the high mast electric light. They then left, and the firearm was with Marco. I pointed out the 2 places, the house where the shooting took place and the spot where I was dropped off after the shooting to Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe. And that is the totality of the statement of the pointings out.
So sifunda ke sicela ke usilalele bese kuthi ke gcineni uzosho ke ukuthi ke kukhona ke la lesikhuluma ngawe noma ke okushiwo ngawe. Statement lesi ke Vosloorus case 636/10/2024 umuzika ukhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya usho ke lokhu okulandelayo. Anginaso ke isiqiniseko mayelana nenyanga kanye nosuku, kodwa ke kwakuunyaka ka2014 kwakungolesithathu ngathi ke ngithola ucingo olwalubuya kuMarco Buthelezi owangibuza ukuthi ngangikuphi ngamtshela ke ukuthi ngangisendlini la engihlala khona. Wathi ngitshela ke ukuthi ke uyeza uzongibona. Weza ke lapho ehamba noma ephelekezelwa ke uMakimba Buthelezi, babehamba ngepolo emhlophe iVW. Ngangena ngaphakathi ke kuyona ipolo. uMarco wangitshela ke ukuthi wayenomsebenzi ayonawo. Ngambuza ukuthi umsebenzi onjani, wabe esethi ke kwakuwumsebenzi wokubulala umuntu. Ngabuza ukuthi ubani loyo muntu loyo, wathi uSenzo. Ngathi kulungile ke singawenza. Sathatha isinqumo ke sokuthi soqale siyobona ke inyanga make isangoma asibhekeleke ukuthi sasizophumelela yini loyo msebenzi lowo. Sahamba ke ukuya kulona ke kuyena ke umkhulu wase ewaphonsa ke amathambo, wasitshela ukuthi ukahle. Yaqhubeka ke istatement sakhe umuzika ukhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya. Umsebenzi ungenziwa ke ngempumelelo. Samkhokhela ke u50 ukuthi ke asibhekele sase siyahamba. Bangishiya ke endlini, savumelana ke ukuthi sohlangana ngomgqibelo ngelanga lomsebenzi. Ngomgqibelo sahlangana ke saya kuyona ke indawo ngomgqibelo ke sahamba ke saya kwindawo noma ke indlu ngayikhomba ke kuyena uLieutenant Colonel Khadebe. Namhlanje 2020 nge06:05 eVosloorus sama khona ke lapho ekhoneni sahamba ke ukuya lapho. Ngabuzwa ke ukuthi ngiyafuna yini ukuthi ngingene ngaphakathi. Ngathi cha, ngizolinda ke ngaphandle. uMarco kanye naye uMakimba bangena ngaphakathi endlini. Ngezwa ke uqhuma kwesibhamu amahlandla amathathu. babuya ke begijima sahamba sonke ke sagijimela emotweni ngatshelwa emotweni uyena uMarco ukuthi bangena bathola abantu ngaphakathi base befuna ke imali kanye nomakhalekhukhwini wangitshela ke ukuthi ke uSenzo waqondana nabo siyaqhubeka ke istatement ku page elandelayo umuzi kaUkhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya waqondana nabo futhi ke elwa enqaba ke ilapho ke adutshulwa khona ke wonke umuntu wabe seyagijima ke eya emakamereni okulala sahamba ke sibuyela khona eBasotho hostel mina ke la engashiwa khona ke high court ngashi bangishiya ke mina lapho okay they then left and then base behamba ke isibhamu sona ke sasikuMarco I pointed to two places ngakhomba ke indawo lezo ezimbili ezimbili umuzi la ekwadutshulwa khona kanye futhi ke nendawo la engashiywa khona mina emuva kokuthi ke sekwadutshulwa likhomba kuyena uLieutenant Colonel Hadebe ngiyavuma ke noma ngiyaqinisekisa ke ukuthi ke amalungelo ami ngawachazelwa angaze ngishaywe noma ngisatshiswe ke ufisa kwazi ukuthi kuloko kufundiwe ke kukhona yini okukhuluma ngawo no there's nothing.
Mr. Zungu, do you agree that in both these statements that were made by accused number one, there's nowhere where he refers to your name?
Mnumzana uZungu ngabe uyavuma yini ukuthi kuzona zoyimbili le statement lezi ezenzwa uyena ke umsolo wokuqala akukho la akhuluma ngawe khona?
Ngiyakuzwa lokho abakusho lapha mina ngisho owasho umuntu emezobhala statement kimi wathini.
I hear what is being said there, but I am saying that which was said by someone who came to take a statement from me as to what that person said.
Now, you're referring to Brigadier Gininda?
Brigadier Gininda?
Yeah,
yes. Now, why would Brigadier Gininda say something that is not contained in any of the two statements made by accused number one?
Yini ke yangenza uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi asho into engekho kuzona zoyimbili istatement lezi zakhe umsolo wokuqala?
Angazi babazi bengifundele be statement maqedwe kusibhala.
I don't know because after writing the statement he never read it back to me.
Thank you. Can we then just move to another aspect? We're just going to show you certain photos that come from Exhibit DD4B. You can just indicate if you know the person that's depicted on the photos.
Ngasho nje ukuthi uyamazi yini umuntu lo ozona izithombe lezi sokutshengisa izithombe.
Page 1 of Exhibit DD4B. Do you know the person?
I don't.
No, not at all.
Page 2 of Exhibit DD4B. Do you know the person depicted there?
Mafiga.
That's Mafiga.
Can you see that he's got